And welcome back to the video for today's cryptocurrency. Today, we will investigate Hedera hashgraph, also known as Hbar. It is currently ranked 29th, with a market valuation of approximately $2 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of approximately $155.28 million. We're seeing some intriguing price action on the Hedera chart, which we'll discuss. Let's begin by looking at the 4-hour chart for Hedera hashgraph versus the US dollar. The data for this analysis comes from Binance. Those of you who have been following us may recall that we discussed the support level in this area before, particularly with the 200 EMA. We stated that Hedera was exhibiting strong bullish behavior, and since then we've seen a push application followed by a retest of smaller EMAs such as the 20 and 80 EMAs. The current price of $16 confirms our belief that Hedera is still bullish. The expanding outer rings on our indicators indicate that the bullish momentum for Hedera remains strong despite the overbought conditions, suggesting that we will likely see further upward movement. However, it is important to note that we may experience some consolidation over the next few days as the overbought conditions return to the rings before pushing back up, given how the cloud indicator operates. Overall, Hedera hashgraph remains bullish, and we anticipate a strong surge to the upside. That concludes our analysis for the day. If you find value in our analysis, please like and subscribe. This is Danelle. Let's transfer our attention to Ethereum. Ethereum has experienced significant growth not only in the last week but also in the last day. This demonstrates the positive market sentiment and investor confidence in Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and other applications without a central server. dApp's original cryptocurrency Ether is used to power the Ethereum network and run smart contracts. Owing to its pioneering role in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a prominent position in the crypto community. Carry out digital contracts, decentralized apps, and even donations through initial coin offerings. The impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired many other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space grow and improve as a whole. The blockchain technology behind Ethereum is the basis for many of the applications and projects in its ecosystem. NFTs, DeFi Finance identifies open supply chain administration, identity verification, and numerous other uses for Ethereum as one of its primary applications. Funds and economics, DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to provide financial services such as loans, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets, as individuals seek decentralized alternatives to conventional financial systems. The expansion of DeFi has made Ethereum more significant and widespread. Tokens that cannot be redeemed for monetary value, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have grown in popularity due to Ethereum's features. NFTs have become very popular in areas such as digital art, games, collectibles, and intellectual property rights due to Ethereum's compatibility and strength. Ethereum is the primary blockchain for NFT growth and transactions. The forthcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is anticipated to enhance scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has garnered a great deal of attention from the cryptocurrency community because it could open up even more opportunities for Ethereum's growth and use the fact that it has a value of 1920 and is very interesting to make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. The significance of Ethereum's environment as a key driver of innovation and decentralization cannot be overstated in the cryptocurrency community. Ethereum is used in many areas, including decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are shaping the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum continues to grow, its potential for additional growth and impact is undeniably exciting for investors, developers, and the broader cryptocurrency community. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours time to buy. The recent 2% increase in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has caused people to ponder what it could mean for buyers. As the market continues to fluctuate, the question arises, does this rise indicate that now is a good time to consider purchasing Bitcoin? Michael Saylor on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, discussed the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, and he predicted that as Bitcoin becomes more prevalent in society, a one-size-fits-all solution may not exist. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical one, a political one, and a technical one. Some people, such as the elderly or those who want to ensure the safety of their assets for future generations, may be better off giving their possessions to someone else, according to Saylor. Saylor believes that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways of integrating because the ever-changing Bitcoin market will determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Bitcoin worth $6.1 billion has been transacted on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin ranks first and has a market capitalization of $571 billion. There are presently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but a maximum of 21 million BTC coins can be produced. How much will Bitcoin cost? The Bitcoin support level is approximately 29. The question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will